this place that I'm staying at right now is beautiful. Beautiful spirit house in Viong Tha Bay. Viong Tha Bay, I believe is how you say it. I looked it up on Google Translate this morning. The gardens are just lovely here. I'm so excited that I picked this place. This is like Zen. You can't find more Zen than this. So as long as I got you going, let's take a walk. This is the main lobby. Morning, Sarika. Trying to use the language. They have two pools. This is one pool. They do serve some food until 3. Toilets right there. I mean, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Serve breakfast in here. It's 250 Thai baht, which is a little pricey. But look at these gardens. And they have walking paths. I haven't walked back in there yet. It's so wet right now, and I have my little pants on. So maybe when I get out here on my way to the pool, I'll take a walk in here. Let's see. The birds. Yes, it's beautiful. I mean, look, that's a real flower. So far, and the people at this resort are absolutely so nice. So yesterday when my driver dropped me off, this is the way he dropped me off. This is how I walked in. So if this is not a beautiful welcome to your experience, I don't know what is. So there's 2 entrances, and he dropped me off at this one. It's just amazing. This is pool number 2. This is the pool I'm gonna be at. So you can actually get a room that is right. You can hop right out and go right into the pool. How nice is that? This is on the 2nd floor, but one of the things I love about this place is there's so many sitting areas. I wish they would have told me about this yesterday. I was waiting for my room because so here's my room, and I have 2 twin beds because obviously it's just me, and this is what they had. So I'm fine with that because they're good-sized twin beds. I mean, heck. You do have a refrigerator in your room. It is stocked with some minimal drinks. You do have to pay for those if you choose to drink those. The coffee and tea, there is no charge. Those 2 bottles of water are complimentary. Let's see. Nice closet, towels, bathrobes if you want, slippers for you to use, and a small safe. Nice desk area to work at if you need to work or have things to do. So that's good for me. Bum gun, just getting used to seeing those everywhere. Nice sink. They do include toiletries, which is nice. The last place didn't include everything, a few things. And nice shower. It's got a bench and the rain shower head, and then the hand one. It's a really nice, really nice room. And the doors, but here's my doors, are sliding doors. And there's the hallway. So that's my room for the next 6 days. Beautiful, isn't it? I mean, wow. So this will give me a chance. I really kind of like feel like my short stint in Bangkok wasn't enough. And I just really, I'm really loving Chiang Mai. Since I've been here, I think it's a lot more my pace. I think Bangkok will be fun, and I certainly want to go back and do some things, but I do think that Chiang Mai is more my speed. So I'm very happy to be here for the next 6 days and enjoy this beautiful spot until the next my next plan, which I'm not going to share with you yet, but I already have it lined up. All right, y'all, take care.